quickly wanted to do the prize distribution ceremony, and also I would like the new committee to do that. So the new team, like usually, we just thank people, volunteers for waiting, and
Thank you so much for everyone to participate. Without you, it would have been impossible. And a lot goes to put this event, days of preparation. And really thanks to everybody here to bring it up to the mark. Otherwise, it would not have been possible. There's a lot of there's a lot of marketing that needs to be done to bring it to a slightly higher level. We want more participation, people spending the entire day. So please cooperate, and really appreciate everyone's help here to come and enjoy the whole day. Yeah.
And thank you for staying back and watching the match.
Yeah.
So we'll start the prize distribution, and then after that we'll do a raffle for everybody who's here. So let's start with the amateurs group. The runner-up, Vinay. उसको इधर बीच में लगा
Right here.
Then you have to, and yeah.
Okay. Next, I would like to call the winner, Sanjay, for amateurs group. Sanjay is proud.
Thank you. Congrats.
Now I'd like to call the enthusiast group runner-up, Hari.
Are you here?
I think Hari left already for the day. Okay.
Somebody else can accept also.
Srikanth, why don't you accept on behalf of Hari? On behalf of Hari.
On behalf of Hari. You are in that group at
And now for the winner of enthusiast group, our super host Vish. Okay. Thank you. Now I'd like to call the runner-up for challengers, Mr. Amit, our new secretary. So this is what you have to do. You have to become an office bearer and immediately get a medal. You guys,
Inside scoop.
yeah, exactly. So
It's an
again,
inside scope openly.
more reason to join the office.
Thank you.
So now the winner of challenger group, Chetan. By the way, Chetan just landed from India last night.
Ready to start playing Gareth.
Okay, now the runner-up of champions group. I don't know how many finals you have played. Well done again.
One, two.
Thank you. Awesome. Now, for the winner of champions group, so Panna did not want. Panna did not want Preeti to get this medal because according to Panna she is not a local, Baka local.
Yeah.
Preeti has.
So who wants to accept it on Preeti's behalf?
Preeti had to really the tax returns for California State. What is this title number in Baka at least? Do you remember?
Panna will have the stats.
Please, a small speech for.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think new committee
Yes.
I will post in the Baka group because it gets lost, but kudos to
Louder, please. The recording.
yeah. So heartfelt thanks to the past committee who has run the tournaments for almost 2 years, right? And they have given us enough tournament practice. And welcome and thanks to the new Baka committee. I think I'm super impressed. Name please again. Venu. I'm super impressed with Venu because not just for the finals, I'm watching him since SRR round 1. He's checking with most of the players, you know, how they're feeling about the tournament. I mean, that is a very, very small thing, but it is very good because it, you know, makes the audience and the players feel very, very comfortable. This was new thing that has happened in Baka. So really appreciate that. You don't have to, right? How are you feeling after 10 matches? You know, you're learning about what's others feeling. So long way to go, guys, and thank you. Tournament, yeah, I was a bit out of practice, but I shouldn't be saying that. This tournament, I came for the reason is that, you know, even if you're out of practice, are you able to still follow your process, play your game, you know, check where you are, what you need to, you know, course correct, go back, sit on the drawing board and, you know, things like that. So it was purely for that reason. And of course, I wanted to enjoy Carrom marathons that I've been playing for years now. So I clubbed this. Thanks to Vijay and Nidhi. And special thanks to Panna. If not for Panna's motivation, I don't think I would have squeezed this also in. But other than that, thanks to all of the players who stayed till end of the day. I think this is also first time where he specifically requested, even if you don't have matches, please stay. That is really nice. Small things, but they matter. Like we say, right? Small mistake, but opponents get punished. So similarly, small things, but it felt very nice.
This is your 7th winner's title.
Oh.
My 7th runner plate. He's
No, but thanks to everybody. I hope I can make it for many more tournaments. Good job, guys.
Congrats.
Here, one small trivia before you guys start the raffle. You guys may not know it, but 2008, this building was about 2 weeks newly renovated and everything. And Balayan had organized tournament in 2008 August, right here in this fair. Called it the ICC Carrom Club of the area. Nice. So, you know, now after 35 tournaments in so many years, it's good to see so many Carrom players.
In fact, World Cup itself was here.
Amazing.
It was very, very nostalgic in the morning when we were driving. Amazing.
By the way, I don't know how many of you know this. In that Carrom World Cup that happened right down the hall,
Yeah.
she finished at Women's World number 3. For the first time, USA had a podium finish thanks to her. That too playing against the best of the world is no joke.
Yeah.
I was telling somebody that when I came here, right, there was only one grocery store, Bharat Bazaar, in the center of Lawrence and El Camino.
Yeah.
And we used to go and tell him, can you please get carrom boards from India? And every time he would say yes. And every time we would go back to him, he said, no, we don't have it. Every single time for like a year.
But now you have shopped out US Carrom Club.
Yeah, just so you guys know, just in the last month or so, I have shipped out of the Bay Area almost 25 Carrom.
Wow.
And in the Bay Area, at least 6 to 7 Carroms that I've sold.
I saw one today.
Just today, 2 people bought Carroms. Okay, Carrom board. And if any of you wants to purchase any Carrom merchandise, you can go to shop.uscarrom.org and you can purchase any Carrom merchandise.
quality boards are very
Yeah,
tough.
I mean, the best board you can buy.
Yeah, so these boards were used in the World Cup, so they are still available for sale. You can see that they are numbered also, right? So
Yeah,
they were all
yeah.
used
Best
and made
boards
custom
in the
for the
world at
World
a
Cup.
discounted price.
Exactly. Yeah. And then finally, I want to do the raffle. And you know, so Venu actually also got sponsorship to do 4 raffles, $25 each, for people who stay back to add extra motivation. I just need your name to add in the raffle. Okay. Everybody else is in the raffle.
How
I'm
much
gonna share.
baby's name? Babies, what's the baby's name?
Yeah, what's your name?
Samhit.
Samhit.
Yeah. You can put $25 in stock, I can tell about QS. And QS stock, and it will grow. Yeah, by the time she is in college, it will pay for her college tuition. QS.
No, that's skip that.
Yeah.
कैसे ही है दूसरा?
Okay, so I must say this is sponsored by iGurukul. They do kids and adults classes. They have after daycare classes for kids. And they were very generously. I have not even met him. Just called them, and they were very so.
All right. Are you guys ready for the raffle for the first one?
Alright.
Hey, my name is
Those are the names, nice.
You excluded me.
Yeah.
Only Bay Area.
Panna. Still paying tax.
This is taxable event.
I actually only missed you.
It's okay. I was just kidding. नहीं.
No, what kidding?
नहीं मुझे लगा कुछ sign up करना था.
Okay, I'm gonna
JP ने कर दिया, मैंने नहीं किया.
I'm gonna take names just confirm. Okay, Sanjay, Shrikant, Vinay, Sushant, JP, Madhar, Arun, Gandhi, Besh, Gajanan, Anuradha, Ankit,
इधर दिख रहा है
Chetan,
इधर दिख रहा है सब पड़े
Venu, Firoz, Amir, हाँ, अरे भाई please सुनो सुनो, Anupama, Shubhada, Panna, Nidhi.
पानी से ठीक है जेपी का नाम हटा
I'm not adding you. You don't add. Okay, guys, ready for the first one?
जेपी की जगह बाला जेपी की जगह बाला डन
But I say.
यू टेक जेपीज
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ
It's okay, man. Let him be.
Okay. Can you give your thing? We will tell you.
We will say that.
फोन नंबर
बस नाम
चेतन
Okay.
कुछ तो जीता.
Okay, guys, the next one. Who is it going to be?
चंदू इज नॉट अलाउड
Oh my God.
All right.
यार ये वापस गए उस पे
Oh my goodness. That's very hard.
Gajan was not removed from the South Bay.
मल्ला
हाँ यार. Okay, last one. $25 at stake. 50% of your entry fee.
Very good. Congratulations.
Sorry, you just lost.
संजय एटलीस्ट यू बीट
Yeah, exactly. That's an honor.
I can feel you now.
All right, congrats. Chetan, Malak,
Good, guys.
Gajanan, and
संजय
Thank you.
okay. Yeah, I think that's all.
It's a wrap.
you have done a great job
Yes. We'll
All
have
right.
some backup.
Hey.
I can't wait.